Good morning to one and all. Welcome to our channel Current Affairs for you. Let's begin the important current affairs of 3rd March 2021. First question for today is, who has topped the list in Hurun Global Rich List 2021? Options are Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Bernard Arnault, Mukesh Ambani. Option A is correct here. Elon Musk, who is the founder of Tesla and also SpaceX. Tesla and SpaceX founder Elon Musk topped a list in Hurun Global Rich List 2021. Now Jeff Bezos stood in second place. The founder of Amazon, Jeff Bezos, stood in second place. Bernard Arnault stood in third place in the Hurun Global Rich List in 2021, and he is the CEO of Chief Executive Officer of Louis Vuitton. And Mukesh Ambani, who belongs to India, he stood at 8th place for 2021 Hurun Global Rich List 2021, and in the year of 2020 he stood in the position of 9th. Mukesh Ambani from India stood 8th position in 2021 Hurun Global Rich List, and in the last year Hurun Global Rich List he stood in 9th position. Next, who has been appointed as the Principal Director General of Press Information Bureau? Options are Praveen Sinha, Jaideep Bhatnagar, Ajay Mathur, Ajay Singh. Option B is correct here, Jaideep Bhatnagar. Jaideep Bhatnagar has been appointed as the Principal Director General of PIB. PIB stands for Press Information Bureau. Praveen Sinha, Interim Director of CBI. Praveen Sinha. Next, Ajay Singh, Boxing Federation President. Ajay Singh. Next question, who wrote The Mystery of the Parsi Liar? Options are Hunter Biden, Sangeet Paul Chowdhury, Shrabani Basu, Hamid Ansari. Option C is correct here. Shrabani Basu wrote a book called The Mystery of the Parsi Liar. Wrote a book called Shrabani Basu. Next question, who wrote Joe Biden, American Dreamer? A biography of Joe Biden. Who is Joe Biden? President of US, recently elected as United States of America President Joe Biden. The biography of Joe Biden is written by whom? Options are Farid Zakaria, Muhammad Jishan, Vaman S. Prabhu, Evan Osno. Evan Osno wrote a book called The Biography of Joe Biden. The name of it is Joe Biden, American Dreamer. Joe Biden, American Dreamer. This book is written by Evan Osno. Next, which country became the first in the world to receive COVAX vaccines made by Serum Institute of India from United Nations? Options are Ghana, Tokyo, France, USA. Option A is correct here, Ghana is the first country in the world to receive COVAX vaccines from United Nations, and this COVAX vaccines made by Serum Institute of India. Next, so Ghana's present president is Nana Akufo-Addo. Ghana's capital is Accra. And Ghana's currency is Ghanaian cedi. Next question, where did International Yoga Festival inaugurated by the Agriculture Minister of the state, Subodh Unial? Options are Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Rishikesh, Uttarakhand, Alappuzha, Kerala, Hyderabad, Telangana. Option B is correct here, Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. In the Rishikesh, Uttarakhand, International Yoga Festival has been inaugurated. Who inaugurated? Uttarakhand State's Agriculture Minister. The name of Agriculture Minister of Uttarakhand is Subodh Unial. Subodh Unial inaugurated International Yoga Festival in Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. Next, who took over as the flag officer commanding in chief of Eastern Naval Command? Options are Ngonji Okonjo Iweala, Avik Sarkar, Ajendra Bahadur Singh, Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. Option C is correct here, Ajendra Bahadur Singh took over the flag officer commanding in chief of Eastern Naval Command, ENC, Eastern Naval Command. Flag officer now is Ajendra Bahadur Singh. Next, Ngonji Okonjo Iweala. Who is she? She is the 7th Secretary General. She is the 7th Secretary General of and first African and also first female, seventh director general, first African, first female of World Trade Organization. Who is she? Ungonji Okonjo Iweala. Next, Avik Sarkar, chairman of Press Trust of India, chairman of Press Trust of India. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu, chairman of NHAI, National Highway Authority of India, chairman Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. Next question, who has won gold medal in Ukraine wrestling event? Options are Vanessa Kalanjinskaya, Deepak Kumar, Vanita Gupta, Vinesh Phogat. Option D is correct here. Vinesh Phogat in the category of 53 kg. In 53 kg weight, she won gold medal in Ukraine wrestling event. Now, who is Vanessa Kalanjinskaya? She is the finalist. It means Vinesh Phogat defeated her in the final. Deepak Kumar, very important person. Deepak Kumar, recently he won silver medal. And what is the tournament name? 72nd Stranja tournament in boxing. 72nd Stranging tournament boxing, which was held in Sofia, Bulgaria. Deepak Kumar won silver medal. Now, who is Vanita Gupta? Associate Attorney General of USA. Has been appointed Vanita Gupta. Next, who has been appointed as the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Central Bank of India? Options are Mattam Venkatrao, Michael Bloomberg, Bhavyalal Vishwanatha Goud. Option A is correct here. Mattam Venkatrao has been appointed as Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Central Bank of India. Next question, last question for today. Who addressed 5th Asia Economic Dialogue 2021 held virtually under the theme Post-COVID-19 Global Trade and Finance Dynamics? Options are Harshvardhan, S. Jaishankar, Modi, Amit Shah. So option B is correct here. S. Jaishankar, who is the External Affairs Minister of India. S. Jaishankar addressed 5th Asia Economic Dialogue, 5th Asia Economic Dialogue, which was held virtually, and the theme of 5th Asia Economic Dialogue is Post-COVID-19 Global Trade and Finance Dynamics. So S. Jaishankar addressed. So that's all for today's current affairs. Hope you guys like the video. Share with your friends and watch the video completely. Thank you.